Not pretty, but that thing will keep the moisture out for certain. Got 2 walls done. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fill these gaps up top here. I might put some backing behind up there. It's just shingles up there. I'd hate for something to crawl in. Even though I don't think they would. Just kind of piece it together here. Let me get up here and show you from up here. There it is. It's a start. It's a start. Not the prettiest, but you know, chickens don't mind. It'll be just fine. Well, coming along over here. Got 3 sides up. This side's gonna get painted though, so it won't look as hodgepodge, but it'll be hodgepodge if you look at the cuts and how pieced together it is. Every wall is like that. Every chicken coop I make is like that, so it's fine. But this wall is the one that needs to open fully for cleaning, maintenance. I love those windows though. Those are just so cool. I took the chainsaw and I cut a notch in that 2x on the bottom, and those glass pieces are set in the notch. Yeah, a little bead of silicone going around them. I'll give the chickens something to look out of. Maybe I'll put a roosting post nearby. There you have it. Birds are getting settled in. Metal floors. I'm gonna get them some hay, some bedding in here. Did the metal floors so that gap on the back, we'll pop that board off and we can just wash it out. But they're pretty happy in here. They have little windows, and I'm gonna put a window on this door too. All locked up in there. This guy's a big shot here. Here it is. All the timbers were cut, and all the wood is reused. Screws I had laying around. Okay, I bought the big 3.5 inch screws. I was out of those. This is the board you pop off 2 screws and you can spray it out. Shingles laying around, came with the house. Extras. So we'll slap a coat of paint on the wood here to help protect it, but let me get a little further away so you can see it. And the metal was all laying around with the house that we bought. Bear with me here. I had all the wood out so I wouldn't have to go far for it. But we still got to do the run. But for now, they're safe. And a nice looking coop.
Can they look thirsty? Wow, I think that one's thirsty too. Maybe it's choking? But I don't know.